I've thought for some time that my Cush drive rubbers were starting to wear. The bike's done 84,000 kilometres, and so I started looking online for them and couldn't find any in stock anywhere. So I thought maybe a cup of tea and a lie down will do it. But I had a look at it again, and there's a reasonable amount of wear there. Quite sloppy. So I really ought to do something about it. The sprocket carrier comes off way too easily, really. It really should be a tight fit in there. And when I look at the rubbers, they're all broken. They're all supposed to be joined together, that set. I think the extra wear is actually broken the little rubber tab off them. As I can't get new ones, YouTube suggested I use some old motorcycle tyre. So I'll give it a try. Just cutting out some bits. I'll only put one piece in each of the 5 sections. So I'm going to slide that bit of rubber in between the big block and the aluminium case, and I'll do that right round. And if it doesn't work, well, no real harm done. Because they're broken, those Cush drive rubber sets are just a bit difficult to keep in place. Basically got to balance them there. Rightio, let's see if I can get that sprocket carrier back in. It's a bit fiddly because those rubber sets that aren't joined together again keep moving, so I have to make sure that they're in the right place. And it's a fight tit, so a bit of pushing and a bit of thumping, and it is actually moving. It's going down in. The tight fit is really good. Looks like the thickness of that rubber tube in each of those 5 sections is done the job. Now look at that. No movement whatsoever. Nice and tight. Well, that was surprisingly easy. Now let's see if it lasts.